Good morning to all. My name is Renuga SAC. Today we are going to see the topic called sequential access file. As like in string functions, we added a new header file called string.h. Likewise in sequential access file, we will add a new header file called stdlib.h, meaning standard library.h. Sequential access file, program to find average of numbers. To find average of numbers using the sequential access file concept, we are going to create a program. In that, the first two basic header files include standard input output.h, conio.h. The third new header file adding in the sequential access file is include standard library.h void main. So this header file should be given while we are using sequential access file. I am opening my curly braces. As it is a sequential access file, in sequential access file, to denote this program that it is sequential access file, we will include the word file in capital letters. Pointer variable is fp. Likewise I gave a word. So this capital letter word file should be given in the program to denote that this program is in the concept of sequential access file. Next I am going to give the data type int, and to find average of numbers means there must be two or more than numbers. So I am giving three numbers like num1, naming it num2, num3, and I am going to find the average for these three numbers. I am clearing my screen now. Then this f variable is equal to, as it is a sequential access file, this program takes place in a notepad or a Microsoft Word like thing. So while I am performing this program, in the notepad or in the word text, it will show like open. You have to save that file in what name, like text likewise. So for that, f open, I am saving it as new.text and I am just reading it, or, and this f is f if this f's value and the variable is fp. If this is equal to null, meaning in that folder I am not having any information, any storage, it is an empty. It is, if null means in the output how it will be printed means it will print that it is failed to open. Likewise it will print like this. It may be a notepad or Word document, whatever we open to find the average of numbers in that particular document. First I will open it by saving it new.text and I am reading. If that text doesn't contain any content, null means this variable is null, means my output will be failed to open. Else if it contains some numbers, like we are giving three numbers and we are going to find the average, means how it will be. Next we will use the while statement. For that, next we are going to use while statement. So before itself we gave printf statement. Now we are using scanf statement. fp is the variable or double quotes. We are having three, num1, num2, num3, like three variables. So percentage, that is a int data type, %d, %d, %d. Likewise 3% and I gave. And also we are going to scanf means that ampersand symbol should come. So there is three things. So ampersand num1, ampersand num2, ampersand num3, and it is not equal to EOF. We should mention this in sequential access file, semicolon. Now I am going to find the average for these. As as in the first step we have seen, if this program doesn't contain anything, null value means it will print off what statement failed to open. Else if I'm giving any input, the user gave any input means this while scanf statement process takes place. That is 3% t I have given, and ampersand symbol for each number I have given to go and fetch the address, the value, and to display it. And our main concept is to find average. So how to find average? These three numbers should be added, num1 plus num2 plus num3, and as there is three numbers, it should be divided by 3. That's how we will find average for the numbers. Then after finding this statement, my printf statement in the output, how I will, the overall answer will be produced in this word average %d, and it will be stored in the word average, this average. So get ch got over it. Now my output will be, I'm running 2 times this output. First time when I'm running this program, if I didn't give any numbers for these 3 numbers, means if I didn't give, the user didn't give any input, just a blank program or document is opened, the null document is opened, means the output what I will get in the first one, failed to open. Else in my second time I'm running this program, example I will draw the diagram how it will be run inside that program or document. So here that average will be displayed, stored, and 3 numbers we have to give. So first I'm giving 100, 200, then 300. Likewise 3 values I have given, means what is the procedure to find average? These 3 numbers should be added and divided by 3. So 100 plus 200 plus 300 is equal to 600. This 600 is divided by 3, means 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 0 0. 200 is my average value. So in my run 2 output, this printf statement next appears. It goes and fetch each values. For that only we use this ampersand symbol. It goes and fetch to the particular unit, goes and fetch all the thing, and it will come to this average. This adding all the 3 numbers, and these final value is divided by 3 also, and I'm now displaying that in the output printf statement average. That means in my second run 2, my average is equal to 200. So this is how, by using sequential access file, we are going to find the average of numbers.